G'day, here's a parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal, mostly just offcuts and little chips from unknown field in Queensland. Rules in millimetres, materials wetted and the white. Some of the stones as a reflection of the lights. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer. It's the rule again. Not big pieces. Some are better than others. Needs to be ground off. Hopefully the colour goes back underneath there. Some pieces are just nice patterns, like that piece. Matrix. Get an idea of what you're looking at there. Hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.